Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Volvo XC60 sunroof. First, find the control panel on the overhead console, usually near the rearview mirror. You'll see a main sliding switch and a separate button. The sliding switch controls the glass panel, while the button manages the sunshade. It's quite intuitive once you know where everything is located. Let's get started with the basic operation. To open the sunroof glass, simply slide the main control switch backward. Push it all the way back for a full open, or just a short tap for the tilt function, which is great for ventilation. To close it, slide the switch forward until the sunroof is fully shut. You can stop it at any point by releasing the switch, giving you precise control over the opening. The sunshade has its own dedicated button, allowing you to open or close it separately from the glass sunroof. This is handy if you want light but not direct sun. Just press the button to activate it. A neat feature is that the sunshade automatically closes when you lock your XC60, providing extra privacy and security. It's a thoughtful design for convenience. For safety, always ensure there's nothing obstructing the sunroof's path before operating it. Also, it's a good idea to periodically clean the seals around the sunroof to prevent debris from accumulating, which can affect its smooth operation. Keeping it clean helps maintain its functionality for years to come. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.